Hey there, Titans. Welcome back to another Titan Academy video. Before we start working with Flow, we have to make sure that our Titan and Salesforce environments are all configured properly. So I'm going to head over to Salesforce over here, and I'm going to go to Setup, and I'm going to search for Packages, because I want to make sure that I have the latest FormTitan package installed. So you can see over here, I have FormTitan version 1.49. Now, if we head over to the AppExchange listing, this is the Titan Forms app. You can see that under more details, the latest version is 1.49. For the sake of this video, I'm going to be using a Salesforce instance that doesn't have FormTitan installed, and I'm going to head over to the AppExchange, and I'm going to click on Get It Now. I'm going to select Install in Production. Install for all users. And there we have it. We have the latest version of the FormTitan package. So I'm going to head back over to Titan, where I'm going to go to Settings, Integrations, and I'm going to authenticate Salesforce with the same environment where I just installed the Titan package. So let's do that. There we go. So that was successful. I'm now going to head over to API and make sure Allow API Access is enabled with access to at least objects and submissions. And over under Document Generation, I'm going to click on Apply. Now let's head back to Salesforce one last time, and under Setup, we want to search for permission sets. Over here, we want to find the Titan user permission set, manage assignments, and we want to make sure that the integration user we just used to log in through Titan has an assignment of the Titan user permission set. So I'm going to select the integration user, I'm going to select no expiration date, and assign. So now we are ready to work with Titan flows, and that's how it's done.